Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to show date and time on home screen on a Huawei device. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go to your home screen, and once you're on your home screen, you can go ahead and tap and hold on a blank space. Okay, and you will be able to find these options at the bottom. So just go ahead and find widgets. And once done, you can go ahead and use the search bar to look for clock, or just scroll down and find the clock section. Tap on it, and then once done, you will have a ton of options. Okay, normally on a Huawei device, you will have digital and analog clock. Also, if you have updated your phone, you will have dual clock. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in a dual clock, maybe this one. I'm going to tap on it and tap on add to page. And then once done, if you want to move it, just tap and hold onto it and then move it to your main screen like so. There you have it. You can go ahead and tap and hold once more. Tap on settings. Here you can go ahead and add in your first CT and second CT, and then the background enabled or turned off, or you can go ahead and choose day and night colors. Okay, and that is it. Just hit on save, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.